National Sports Day is celebrated all over the world to honor national sports teams for their outstanding performance for their respective countries. This day is celebrated to highlight the importance of sports in our lives and staying fit and healthy. This day marks the journey of every sports person and woman who has made the country proud by representing commendable work achieved through hours of sweat and hard work. This day is celebrated on 29th August to commemorate the birthday of Indian hockey legend Major Dhyan Chand. Major Dhyan Chand was also known as the Wizard of Hockey. Major Dhyan Chand was born on 29th August 1905 in the city of Sangam, Allahabad to a British Indian Army employee Sameshwar Dutt Singh and Sharada Singh. After getting a basic education, Dhyan Chand joined the Indian Army as the soldier in the year 1922. After joining the Indian Army at the age of 16, Dhyan Chand got more inclined towards field hockey. Soon he was selected in the Indian Army hockey team for New Zealand tour in the year 1926. In 1928, he earned gold for the nation at the Olympic event held in Amsterdam. Dhyan Chand's speed and accuracy made him earn the title the Wizard of Hockey. Once, Australian batsman Sir Donald Bradman remarked him, "He scores goals like runs in the cricket." Major Dhyan Chand scored more than 400 international goals in his career from 1926 to 1948, while scoring nearly 1,000 goals in his entire career. Major Dhyan Chand is one of the most successful captains of the Indian hockey team. He took retirement from the Indian Army as a major in the year 1956 and was also honored with the 3rd Indian Civilian Award Padma Bhushan by the Government of India for his sincere efforts in uplifting the sports of field hockey in India. So, to give the real tribute to such a legendary player, the Government of India has decided to celebrate his birthday as the National Sports Day since 2012. It gives National Sports Awards to the respective winners who have enhanced the value of the tricolour flag all over the world. The awardees receive their awards from the President of India. Under the National Sports Award, players and former players are honoured with many awards like Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award, Arjuna Award and Dronacharya Award. Along with all these honours, Dhyan Chand Award is also given on this day. Games and physical activity is very important to stay fit and healthy. Every new player is born in the history with his efforts and hard work. Let's celebrate this day to awake the sportsman spirit inside us. Winners win, winners lose, but winners play.